a spatula, a bowl, and some glue. And I will be using Elmer's school glue, clear glue, so I can make a clear slime. Our pre-made activator, to make it, is 1 teaspoon borax and 1 cup warm water. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Always have your safety glasses ready. Always make sure this is tight. Make sure this is always locked. And I know this is tight because I just put it on tight, loose, tight. I'm going to put it down, put it on the lock, put my safety glasses on, and we're going to start the mixing. On low speed, if you go immediately to the highest speed, it'll just go splattering everywhere. If you don't have a mixer, you still can use a spoon to mix it. I'm going to stop it to see if I need any more activator. Oh, yeah, I'm going to need more activator. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons at a time. Checked it, and I've added some more activator. I'm going to lock her in and start it up. It's a matter of patience, and when you need to add more activator, you need to add more, and we'll just keep adding activator until it's good. Now it's starting to pull away from the edges of the bowl. That noise, it's like a chocolate factory. Now that's called slime. It feels so weird, but it feels so good. I'm gonna pull it out of the bowl with my hands. This is where I'm going in with my hands. Now we have our blue Floam balls. We're going to add a little in at each time. It feels and sounds satisfying. Floam balls come out like that, you just get it back in. If you like this video, you should like and subscribe. King Jimmy out.